Okay, so I know it's been a minute, guys. We're still not really done yet, but we've got some of the fittings in. So we're basically gonna go 290s off of that, and this is our distribution here. I'm not really too sure if it's best to run it like offset this way or do something like this. The problem with everything that we're having, the biggest problem has been mounting 100%. So I think mounting it this way, whether it's the front or the back, it doesn't really matter too much. It's probably the easiest way of going about it. Then we've got our 10A in fitting here. And from the 10A in fitting, we're going to go into one of the hoses for the auto air control valve. So this is kind of our generic routing at the moment. It may change up. I'm not 100% sure. The biggest problem, like I said, when it comes to this car is mounting everything. Like, as you can see, the fuel pressure regulators are still sitting here. We're having, again, it's just where does everything go? Where can we fit everything? That makes the most sense. Another thing too that you have to remember, on my specific car, I'm running flex fuel, so that's like another thing that I have to add in line, which, by the way, flex fuel sensor is here, guys. So yeah, again, just trying to figure out how to mount everything, but parts are slowly going in. I'm just not too happy with the setup, to be quite frank with you. The problem is that going from the center, if we have the two fittings, if we have the fittings facing each other going to the center, the biggest problem again is where do we mount all of this, So that's why I think going to the front or the back makes the most sense, and the only way of doing that is to do a number like this. So I don't know if with the hoses not being equal length, if it's going to make that much of a difference. I really doubt it, to be honest with you, but you never know, right? So we're still playing with a couple ideas, still not 100% sure how all it needs to go, but we are getting there.